Okay, so we are going to discuss about sustainable return on investment. We all know, everyone is now becoming more and more cautious about the environment. So we are going to discuss about, we would be discussing about environment also, and we would be discussing about the finance also. So we will be mixing both the concepts together. So let us begin. On a day-to-day basis, humans are becoming more conscious of the surrounding than ever before. The investors who were earlier concerned with only financial gains of an investment are increasingly becoming conscious of the social as well as environmental impact that their invested project is making alongside the conventional benchmark of financial profit. This is expected to create more value for the project. Earlier, it was considered to be a government initiative to invest in projects with more socially inclined outcome. But these days, even private ventures are taken up with a similar cause of creating a social impact. Sustainable Return on Investment, or SROI, provides a framework for such initiatives while providing scope for ample flexibility for various cultures of private or government institutions across geographies to mold the guidelines to provide for new initiatives to be introduced. So, what basically this framework does is it tries to bring into conscious of investors to invest in projects that add social and environmental values. So now we would be talking about benefits for, like, what benefits does it provide for services and what benefit does it provide for organization, and then we'd be taking for whom it is less utility for. So it benefits for services, like helps kickstart strategic discussions and adds social value to the future services. It helps in looking out for positive and negative outcomes and plan accordingly. Less leads to organizational and personal collaboration to work on further effective projects. It also helps in building common grounds for organizational approaches and stakeholders to provide ways for maximizing social values. Formal dialogue between stakeholders to improve service design. Next, what benefit does it store for organization are? It raises the organization's profile. It adds substance to further funding proposals. It adds persuasive value to future tenders. So let us now talk about whom it is less utility for, and it would be like strategic processes already planned and implemented. There it would be less utilized. Disinterested stakeholders on social returns, they would be less interested on social return on investment, and being undertaken to prove the value of the service. In these three cases, sustainable return on investment would be of very less value. I hope sustainable return on investment is loud and clear. It is a burning topic. So we had made a valuable discussions here. Now we would be taking up a case study in our next concept.